Hello students, welcome to Sanal Nair Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to study and solve some numericals related to what students? Complementary functions. Actually, ये separate ऐसे पूछा नहीं जाता है, but in finding out the main answer, this is your one of the step. So this step you should know very properly. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us dive into our numerical. Okay, so first question देखो students, what is the first question here? It is given as d2y. Okay, we have to solve d2y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx minus 6y. This we have to solve. So एक बात आप याद रखो that d by dy can be written as capital D. This capital D means what? Differential operator. That will be called as what students? Differential operator. If you have d2 by dy square, it can be written as d square. In the similar manner, अगर आपके पास d3 है, d3 by dy cube, that will be written as, that can be written as capital D. So in this example, in any example, when we are solving complementary function, d by dy should be replaced by capital D, that is differential operator. उससे replace करना ही पड़ता है. So just see the step by step that I am opting here, okay, to solve the following question. So first of all, we'll write down the given solution. The given differential equation is, सबसे पहले तो ये लिख लो, d2y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx minus 6y equals to 0. So I will now replace it. I will replace this d2 by dx square. अभी देखो यहाँ पर जो d2 by dx square है students, that will get replaced by capital D, but उसका square. What we are left with? Y minus 5. What is d by dx? D by dx means capital D, उसके साथ y minus 6y equals to 0. So you can take here y term as what students? Y terms as constant you can take here. So I will write here d square minus 5d minus 6y equals to 0. Perfect. Now we have to find out its root. उसका root क्या रहेगा? So as you can see here, this small video. So okay, so ये small video में what I told, I have explained how to find the roots in the calci. You can take any calci. The calci which I am showing you is fx9n1es. Okay, so first of all what you should do is press mode. वहाँ पे equation दिख रहा है, so press 5. Okay, so we should have quadratic 2, so press 3 करो. Press 3. Which coefficient we will have? 1. d square का 1 है, उसके बाद देखो ये minus 5 है, और उसके बाद minus 6 प्रेस करो. फिर से इक्वल्स टू x1 की वैल्यू 6 आई और x2 की वैल्यू -1. ओके, x1 की वैल्यू 6 और x2 की वैल्यू -1. सो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू प्रेस मोड. इक्वेशन 5 में जाना है, इक्वेशन सिलेक्ट करना है क्वाड्रेटिक बिकॉज इट इज 2. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू प्रेस देयर 3. कोएफिशिएंट d स्क्वायर का 1 है, d का -5 है और कांस्टेंट का -6 है. सो यू हैव टू प्रेस दैट एंड योर आंसर इज d equals to 6 and -1. Perfect. I hope that you are understanding it very properly. So in this way you have to find out what students root. If you have not seen the previous video, please previous video देखो. I had explained you how to write down the yc. So this is real but not repeated. So this will be c1 e raised to 6x plus c2 e raised to -x. This is the answer students. This is the answer of the question here. Are you getting this? cx plus c2 minus e raised to -x. I hope that you have understood. अगर आपको नहीं समझो तो फिर से वीडियो देखो, फिर से रिप्ले करो. Just see what method I have used here in the calculator. Perfect. So in this way we had found out yc. Now pay attention very closely. This will be one of the step, ये one of the step रहेगा while solving the numericals. ओके जब हम बड़े इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे, this will be our always first step, that is step number 1. Okay, so let's move on to the next question, students. So what is the next question here? We have to solve 2 d2y minus dy by dx minus 10y. Okay, we have to solve this. So let us see how to do it in a proper manner. So सबसे पहले तो as it is, students, as it is equation लिख लो. Okay, so I will write down here given. So equation is what, students? Equation is 2 d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 10y equals to 0. ठीक है. What is d2 by dx square? It can be also written as what, students? Capital D. So I will write here 2 capital D2y minus d by dx. ये जो d by dx है, it can be written as capital D. So capital dy minus 10y equals to 0. Again what you can do? Again you can take y as constant. We will have 2d square minus d minus 10 ब्रैकेट के बाहर y equals to what, students? Equals to 0 here. Okay, so now you have to put this in calci. d square का कोएफिशिएंट 2 है, d का कोएफिशिएंट -1 और कांस्टेंट तो माइनस टेक. Let us see how to put this in calci in order to find equation d. Okay, so press करो फिर से मोड. Again go in equation 5. As it is quadratic, square है, so 3 press करो. Okay, so coefficient of d square plus 2 है, so 2 press करो. d का -1 है, so -1 press करो. Ultimately -10 for constant, and in this way your d answer turns out to be 5 by 2 and -2. 5 by 2 and -2. I hope you are understanding this very properly. So again it is what, students? Again it is real and not repeated. So what I will do, I will write down the value of yc. Okay, the value of yc is in this manner. Value of yc क्या रहेगा? c1 e raised to 5 by 2x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. This will be the answer of yc. See, it's so simple. If your basics are clear, you can solve any questions about this. Great. Now let us move on to the next question here, students. Next question की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. So next question में देखो d3y. Okay, so instead of quadratic equation, the given equation here is cubic equation. Cubic equation दिया हुआ है. So let us see how to solve it. Step by step we will go here, students. So we'll write down the given equation. We'll write down the given equation. The given equation is d3y by dx cube plus 2d2y upon dx square plus dy by dx. dy by dx equals to what, students? Equals to 0 here. Okay, so first of all I will write down in a differential operator format d3y plus 2d2y plus 1 means only dy equals to 0. I will take what as a common? I will take y as a common. So d cube plus 2d square plus d in bracket y equals to 0. I have told you how to solve this in calci. So as you can see, press the mode button, equation 5. Okay, instead of 3 press 4 as cubic is there. पहला कोएफिशिएंट 1, सेकंड का कोएफिशिएंट 2, थर्ड का 1, बट फोर्थ कांस्टेंट नहीं है सो 0 प्रेस करो. फोर्थ कांस्टेंट नहीं है सो 0 प्रेस करो. x का -1 एंड 0. ओके, एक -1 एंड 0, बट यहाँ पर तो दो ही रूट दिख रहा है. एक्चुअली 3 रूट है, सो कैल्सी डज नॉट शो अस रिपीटेड वैल्यू. Calci does not show us what, students? Repeated value. So this will be 0 0. So now here this will be the real case. ये हो गया students आपका real case. So yc will be c1 e raised to minus x plus, if you'll pay attention, it is repeating, students. So this will be constant, this will be x. If you are not seen the previous video, please go and watch it. I have explained how to write down the yc. So c2x plus c3 e raised to 0x. This is the way that you are going to solve, students. ये उसका आंसर आ गया है. ये आंसर आया थर्ड का. Perfect. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question देखो students क्या है. d raised to 3 plus 6d square plus 11d plus 6. ब्रैकेट के बाहर क्या है students? ब्रैकेट के बाहर y है. So let us see how to solve it. So first of all we'll write down the given equation. अभी डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशियल ऑपरेटर के टर्म में ही दिया है. डी क्यूब प्लस 6d स्क्वायर प्लस 11d प्लस 6 इन ब्रैकेट y equals to 0. Okay, no need to use your differential operator. डायरेक्टली कैल्सी में आप डाल सकते हो इक्वेशन का. सो प्रेस मोड बटन. इक्वेशन 5 4 पॉइंट प्रेस करो क्योंकि क्यूब है. सो पहला कोएफिशिएंट 1, दूसरे का 6, थर्ड वी हैव 11 एंड फोर्थ वी हैव 6. फिर से इक्वल्स टू प्रेस करो. सो डी का वैल्यू -3 -1 -2 ओके इज द आंसर. -3 -1 और -2 ये आंसर आ गया स्टूडेंट्स. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द रूट. Okay, so how will I write the value of yc? देखो भाई प्रैक्टिस करना जरूरी है. You have to keep on practicing it. So yc will be what, guys? yc will be here c1 e raised to minus 3x plus c2 e raised to minus x plus c3 e raised to minus 2x. This is the answer of yc. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this very properly. So now let us move on to the next part, that is d cube plus d square minus 2d plus 12. Okay, we'll first write down the given equation. So given equation क्या है? d cube plus d square minus 2d plus 12 in bracket के बाहर y equals to 0. So now you can go in the Calci mode. Calci mode में क्या करना है? Mode button press करो. Press 5 equation. Now cube is there, so press 4. पहला coefficient 1, second coefficient 1, थर्ड कोएफिशिएंट -2 और फोर्थ का कोएफिशिएंट 12. ये प्रेस करो. सो डी का आंसर आया. एक आंसर आया -3, एक आया 1 plus √3i एंड द अदर आंसर इज 1 minus √3i. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो लिखते वक्त आप कैसे लिखोगे? -3 1 plus -√3i. Are you understanding? So now this is a combination, means this one is the real. ये हो गया real and ये हो गया students imaginary. So for that what we will do here, we will write here yc equals to c1 e raised to -3x 1 alpha √3 beta. So plus e raised to alpha x, alpha की value 1 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 3, ओके, सो बीटा की वैल्यू, सो C1 के बाद C2 cos बीटा is 3, C2 cos root 3x plus C3 sin root 3x. This is a combined numerical, means in this we had find out the YC which had what, students? Real as well as imaginary. Real as well as imaginary we had. Perfect. Now let us move into the next question here. What is the next question, students? d square plus 16 का whole cube है students. Okay, fine. So देखो how to approach. Okay, a plus b cube use करने की जरूरत नहीं है. See the trick here that I am using, students. So first of all I will write down the given equation. Given equation क्या है? d square plus 16 का cube है ना, y equals to 0. So ये cube means 3 times I can write. So d square plus 16 equals to 0, d square plus 16 equals to 0, and d square plus 16 it will be 0. So d square will go there, it will become minus 16. D square will go there, it will become minus 16, and same here d square is there and 16 if will go, it will be minus 16. Square root करो, so d का आंसर क्या आएगा? d मतलब क्या रहेगा? अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 16. d will be what? अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 16. d will be what? अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 16. इसका आंसर पहले ही लेक्चर में मैंने आपको बताया दैट इट इज ए इमेजिनरी नंबर. सो 16 रूट माइनस 16 मीन्स इट विल बी प्लस माइनस 4i. इसका भी आंसर क्या आएगा? प्लस माइनस 4i. हियर ऑल्सो इट्स आंसर विल बी प्लस माइनस 4i. या फिर डायरेक्टली कैलसी में सॉल्व करो, प्लस माइनस 4i ही आएगा. So if nothing is there, there will be 0. Nothing is there, there will be 0. Here will be also 0. मीन्स अगर आप आंसर लिखोगे साथ में, सो द रूट विल बी 0 प्लस माइनस 4i, 0 प्लस माइनस 4i, and 0 plus minus 4i. So while writing down yc, it is a case what? It is which case, students? It is a case 4 that is imaginary and repeated. So यहाँ पर constant लिखो, यहाँ पर x, and here will be x square. So the value of yc, the value of yc will be 0 is the alpha, 4 is the beta. So e raised to alpha x, e raised to 0x. Okay, so it started with x square. So c1 x square plus c2x plus c3. This was for cos beta x. Cos beta, what is the value of beta? 4. Plus c3 के बाद c4 फिर से कंटिन्यू करो, c4 x square plus c5 x plus c6. This is for sin beta x, मतलब sin 4x. This is the answer for what, students? This is the answer for yc. Are you understanding? Means we had seen the square term, we had seen the cube term. Okay, so let us move on to this question. Oh, what a question this is. d square plus 1 cube. Okay, d square plus 1 cube है students, into d square plus d plus 1 का whole square है, plus 1 का whole square है. Okay, so it seems little bit difficult, but trust me, it is one of the simplest numerical out here. Let us see how to solve it. So first I will write down the equation as it is. I will write down the equation as it is given. d square plus 1 cube, d square plus d plus 1 square, whole in bracket y equals to 0. You can multiply y here. So as you can see, d square plus 1 is written is how many times? 3 times. So कितने बार लिखो भाई? ये 3 बार लिखो. d square plus 1 equals to 0, d square plus 1 equals to 0, d square plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, d square plus d plus 1 का whole square, so write it 2 times. D square plus d plus 1 equals to 0, and again d square plus d plus 1 equals to 0. You can directly do your the Calci method. Plus 1 हो जाके -1 का root I, so 0 plus minus I. इसका भी आंसर आएगा 0 plus minus I. इसका भी आंसर आएगा 0 plus minus I. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? ओके, 3 बार है, हर एक का आंसर देखो. d का अंडर रूट ऑफ -1, इधर भी d का -1 अंडर रूट ऑफ -1, एंड दिस यू कैन सॉल्व बाय द कैल्सी. सो इसका जो आंसर आएगा d स्क्वायर प्लस d प्लस 1. ओके, दिस विल बी व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स? दिस विल बी -1/2. कैल्सी में करके देखो. प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ 3/2i, एंड अगेन here same -1/2. इसका भी आंसर वही आएगा, -1/2 प्लस माइनस √3/2i. Perfect. So this is just the roots. Now you have to write down the value of what students? Value of yc. Okay, आपको yc की वैल्यू लिखनी पड़ेगी. So the value of yc, as you can see, it is repeating 3 times और it is repeating 2 times. So फिर ये हो गया c. Okay, ये हो गया c, ये हो गया x, ये हो गया x square. For this alpha will be 0, beta will be 1. सेकेंड कंडीशन के लिए अल्फा -1/2 रहेगा और बीटा 3/2. So this will be constant, this will be the value x. So let us see how to write this yc, which is pretty interesting. So yc will be equals to, okay, how many times? 3 times it is repeating. So e raised to alpha x, e raised to 0x. ठीक है, c1x square plus c2x plus c3 ब्रैकेट के बाहर. ओके, किसके लिए? cos बीटा x. बीटा तो 1 है, सो 1 इंटू एक्स विल बी x. देखो बीटा 1 है. प्लस सेम फॉर साइन के लिए लिखो, बट c3 के बाद c4 आएगा. सो c4x स्क्वायर प्लस c5x प्लस c6 ब्रैकेट के बाहर साइन बीटा, बीटा इज 1, सो ये x प्लस. ओके, आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग हाउ टू राइट दिस? ये तो सिर्फ इसके लिए हो गया, राइट? सो दिस विल बी फॉर दिस वन ओनली. जो रिमेनिंग टर्म है स्टूडेंट्स, दैट विल बी व्हाट? देखो अभी अल्फा -2 है, सो सेम आई विल राइट डाउन e रेज टू -1/2x. ओके, वो हो गया x/2 इन ब्रैकेट. ओके, सो इट्स कांस्टेंट हियर और यहाँ पर x है स्टूडेंट्स, सो x तक ही लिखो. बट c6 के बाद क्या आएगा? c7x plus c8 in bracket cos beta. What is the value of beta? √3/2x plus same cos के लिए जैसे लिखे वैसे ही sin के लिए लिखो. c8 के बाद c9x plus c10 cos के बाद sin of √3/2x. This is the value of what students? yc. yc है. I hope that you have understood this 7 question very properly. Again कुछ डाउट रहा तो कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करो. We'll try to resolve your doubt. Okay, and the thing which is in between scoring high is you only students. आप ही हो. You can overcome this by practice. ये 7 क्वेश्चन फिर से सॉल्व करके देखो बिना देख के. सबसे पहले तो सब क्वेश्चन लिख लो, ये 7 के 7 क्वेश्चन, and then try to solve and then try to match your answers. Thank you so much students. It was nice teaching you.